Richard Feynman was a great physicist who received a Nobel Prize for his work in quantum electrodynamics. In addition to being a great scientist, he was also a great teacher and a great explainer because he was able to boil down incredibly complex concepts and put them in simple language that other people can understand. The whole idea here is that the best way to understand every little detail in a concept is to explain it to someone else. So, Feynman's learning technique is effective for you to learn something new and to understand something deeper, and also to help you study for an exam. This is a process of 3 simple steps, so let's get into it. So the step number 1 is to choose a topic you want to understand and start studying it. Once you know what is it about, take a piece of paper and write the topic at the top of the page. Step number 2, by pretending you are teaching the idea to someone else, write out an explanation on the paper while you describe them out in loud. By doing this, you get an idea of what you do understand and where you still have gaps. Whenever you get stuck, go back and study. Repeat the same process until you can explain it well. Step number 3, and that is to do it again. But at this point, try to simplify your language or use graphics to make the point more clear. If your explanation ends up blurry or confusing, well, that's an indication that you don't understand that concept well. If that happens, go back and do it again until you have mastered it. And that's pretty much it. Now, using this technique is incredibly helpful because it helps you to find what parts you do understand well in that concept, and also the parts you are not real good at, where you have to put more effort. So that makes this technique a great way to learn new things and understand them deeply. And here's the real kicker. If you study using this Feynman technique, you will remember that concepts a long period of time. So, if that sounds crazy, you have to take action right now. If you found this video useful, definitely leave a like to support the channel, and you can subscribe right here to get notifications, and definitely check out this playlist where I put together some valuable videos for you to become academically successful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.